How to add audio to an image in KineMaster app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to add audio to an image using the KineMaster app on your iPhone. Whether you're creating a slideshow or a simple video, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you. So let's get started. First, you need to open up the KineMaster app, and then in order to create a new project, you need to tap on the plus icon to start the fresh. Once you have done that, you need to select the ratio. Simply tap on create after that. Now simply tap on the image that you want to import over here. Once you have done that, next click on the audio button to access your audio library. Here simply tap on the audio option and then tap on OK. From here you need to click on music and you can select any music that you want from here. I'll select this music over here, and once done, just tap on the plus icon right next to it. Make sure that the audio fits perfectly with your image. Pinch the screen inwards in order to view everything. Now you can simply adjust the audio just like this, and you need to press on play after that. In this way, they will play together seamlessly. And that's it, you have successfully added an audio to an image in KineMaster. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.